Welcome to this meditation. Just 7 minutes to bring you some bliss. Today, we're going to do this meditation to improve your finances. Whatever is your money situation, if you're feeling anxious about it, this meditation is going to make you feel wealth, prosperous, and open all the doors for the abundance to come to your life. We all need it, then never is too much to feel good about money. And I'm here to help you. Just relax, sit down in a very comfortable position or lay down, whatever you feel more comfortable with. I want you to take a moment to close your eyes gently and breathe normally, knowing that you are in the right place. Is everything perfect as it is? Is everything okay? There's nowhere for you to go. There's nothing for you to do. Just be here in the now. Breathe deeply and breathe out. Feel your mind relaxing and just concentrate in my voice. Letting every part of your body just relax. I want you to see yourself walking. And as you walk, step by step, you can feel your body relaxing bit by bit. You're feeling good. It's no pain. It's no tension. It's like you're floating. You're walking without feeling the pressure. You breathe normally. It is a perfect day. The sun is warm, but not too warm. You can feel the wind touching your skin. A gentle breeze. And you can notice that everything is green around you. It's leaves and grass. And you're walking in the path full of flowers. You're just observing and feeling relaxed and calm. And you notice again how you walking so feeling good with yourself. It's not your normal walk, it's the walk of power, of empowerment, because everything is so good. You're strolling, and time to time, you're giving little jumps of happiness. You remember now that you receive money from everywhere. You are a money magnet, and money is coming to you so easily. That is so nice to have so much. You're not worrying about what you have to pay. You're making plans about how you're going to spend so much money. And you start touching the leaves. And you feel the connection to the abundance that everything was created and keep on being created. Everything is rich. It's not shortness of grass or leaves. And in your pathway is loads and loads and loads of green and beautiful, precious flowers. You realize now that you are one with all the power that creates worlds. You are one of the planet Earth and all the abundance that exists in all the universe. And that is infinite because it's always more and more and more. Growing everywhere, coming from everywhere. As you stroll for the pathway, you start seeing that all the leaves, all the flowers are literally transforming in money. And you touching the notes, you stepping on the coins, and there's money everywhere. It's all yours. You're happy and you want to share it. You can walk on it. You can swim on it. You can touch it and do whatever you want. But right now you're feeling so good, so relaxed that you just want to keep on walking the path of abundance. It's so good to be rich. It's so good to be so wealthy. And you know now that God provides and supplies for all your needs. There's no more need to be worried about finances because you see it clearly that is all around you. You have all the money and all the wealth of the world. And as you keep on that path, you see that all the doors that you see around you open, and it's just throwing money for you. There's more opportunities. There's more ideas. Money is just attracted to you, and you are open to accept it. You start to see your feet, your legs. You look to your wrists. You notice how well dressed, how expensive is your shoes. You have a brand new watch. And your perfume. Better than any perfume that you could smell. It smells rich. It smells money. And you love it. Now you understand that it's your birthright to be rich, prosperous, and full of money. No more doubt. You smile, feeling grand, powerful. and full of ideas to help others, to make this world a better place, to make projects. And you go through that path, eager to tell your family, your friends, that now you have all the money of the world. As you look around you one more time, and you see all that grass keep on transforming in money, you open your arms, smiling, touching the notes, feeling the richness in your hands. And you're ready. You're ready for your wealth. You're ready for your powerful transformation. You're ready to accept that you are one with all the wealth of the world, prosperous and rich every day of your life. You breathe gently and you start to come back through my voice. Listen to my voice, just to my voice. As you look around, you see me next to the path, waiting for you, smiling. And you come in my direction, in direction of my voice. And 3, walking, feeling good, feeling so light and happy, because you know now you're prosperous. 2, you grab a few notes, you put in your pockets, you fill your pockets. And it's nice to have money. You feel good about your finances. And now you know exactly what to do and how to feel to be always rich and prosperous. 1, you arrive next to me and I invite you to open your eyes and come live your prosperous life. Open your eyes and breathe prosperous. I hope you enjoyed this meditation and practice the affirmations about money. Because now you are prosperous and you are one with all the riches of the world. Namaste.